Welcome back to my channel, guys. Okay, so guys, I'm currently washing the dishes. Obviously, naririnig niyo ba? So supposedly, I light a candle. Okay, so I don't know, kaartehan ko lang yun or ano. Pero sometimes it helps, diba? Sometimes may pa candlelight sa tabi, on the side. Parang may candlelight dinner, pero wala naman. So yun, guys. So this is a good idea to maybe do this as a podcast. And guys, buhugas ako ng pinggan ngayon. I'm washing the dishes. I'm trying to really... Usually, guys, all the breakables and all the big ones, I do first. Okay, so I have lots of this in my other channel. In my blog, I will link it down below. Please check out. That's also my exercise channel. Guys, so when you're just tired... Isn't it, guys, there's a season of our lives that we had always been the one who's always washing the dishes. Diba yung ganun? Okay, so everybody, maybe most of us experience that. Well, typically you would complain, but I guess it will help if we don't. Diba? Kasi all the more, diba, we're hating the... But anyway, why am I trying to do this while I'm washing the dishes? Wala lang. Maybe just to lessen the feeling of what, I need to wash this like that. I'm not complaining. Just, maybe you're needing a company while you're washing the dishes. Have this playing while you're washing the dishes. Di ba may isip mo yung buhay mo? So guys, I'm in the glasses. I'm done with the pots. So first, usually guys, what I really do is bust out from the the soil table, diba? The used table. I bust out first everything. Of course. That's the one you're gonna use to wash. So everything. So all the breakables, knives, and then glasses. That's what I do first. And the big ones, like all the sharp things, out already on the sink. And then lastly would be the safe ones, like all of these are breakables, pero the plates would be the last. Especially for the young ones, take out anything that's dangerous first or hazardous, mga anak. Okay, so ayun guys, ito, hugas lang tayo. Okay, so guys, some reflections. Wala lang. What do you usually do? What are you thinking? What do you think? Ano ba iniisip mo habang naguhugas ka ng pinggan? While you're washing the dishes, what's in mind? Minsan yung, oh my God, I have lots of things to do tomorrow, or I haven't done this. Like that. Di ba may mga ganun tayo? Kaya sometimes this channel talaga is about expression of oneself. So, ideas may spark hope. This might spark hope to you kung you have nobody to talk to. I mean, I do have. Of course, I live with my parents. Pero, guys, you get me. Like, kung, diba, sometimes, like a regular playing of something on online is not enough. Sometimes you want to, use this as as an outlet to express yourself or just relax and chill, di ba? Yung mga ganyan. So, huwag ka na mag-worry. At we all feel the same way. Narinig nyo guys, mga plato. Hindi ko na binidyo kasi, guys, wala naman kasi akong live stream eh. That's why, I'm not entitled for a live stream kasi it's a new channel. So, please subscribe, share the channel. This is a typical, this is just like my other vlog din naman. My other vlog has an exercise channel, home chores. More of these home chores on my other. I link it down below. Check in the description box. Right, so guys, yun. So I've already soaped everything. And then, take out the mumu on the sink, like on the drain, the food, excess food. The gross part. Talaga guys. Anyway, so rinsing the I don't know guys, kasi baka mamaya this might help, this might distress other people's yeah, what do you, di ba sometimes instead of complaining, maybe just magsahanap tayo ng mga jokes para hindi tayo ma-stress. Ano ba yung mga nakaka-inspire? Check out natin to guys, ha? And so guys, this one, I'm finished washing the dishes. Yung jokes mamaya na guys, ha? And then there's some kind of white corn being boiled here, so I'm gonna have to wait pa dito. Parang matagal pa to. Okay, sige guys, sandali lang. Guys, this time I'm going to fold clothes naman. Whatever really that you neglect in the morning, it's going to go back to you always. Ganun talaga, no? Anyway, sige na guys. Guys, before I fold clothes right here, I found this hack. Like, you can put some kind of a this one is a boxer shorts, so I put it like a scarf and then clip on this one. Gets nyo guys? Kasi kakanta ako. I want to fold while I'm talking. Gets nyo guys? Guys, thank you. What songs I can find here? Ito guys, pop and dance, 90s. Hit me baby one more time. Britney Spears yun guys, 1998. Wannabe by Spice Girls. Wannabe. Oh, tell me what you want, what you really want. If you wanna be my lover, you gotta get with my friends. Guys, you remember those days? This one, Living la Vida Loca. 1999, Ricky Martin. This one, Believe by Cher. Ay guys, oh my god, ano ba? Help me with this one. I don't know this one. Ito, boy band. Backstreet Boys. 1999. I want it that way. Tell me why ain't nothing better now. No, I mean, I'm not a Backstreet Boys fan. Pero syempre, di ba, you hear it in the radio. What else? No Scrubs. TLC, guys. 1999, di ba? Okay, ini isa Waterfalls. Don't go while I'm folding clothes, guys, I cannot manage, pero don't go chasing waterfalls. Even to the limit like you used to. I don't know. There's nothing at all, but I think you're moving too fast. Isa naman, Destiny Child, say my name, you know, ano pa to? 1991, Smells Like Teen Spirit, Nirvana, oh my god, I forgot. Yung ba yun? Basta, guys, I can't remember na I'm Nirvanian, pero sobrang, sorry naman, sumalangit nawa kay, Kurt Cobain, right? Okay, next is, Oasis Wonderwall. I forgot na that one. Ano ba yung Oasis? He says, ito, Cranberries, a Zombie. Another head hangs slowly. Under silence. Zombie. I have a friend turned cousin because guys, basta long story. Basta guys, my sister's friends pala, they sing this one, Zombie. Every time we're hosting some kind, basta every time we're out, they're gonna sing this one. Tapos yung I'm a Creep, Radiohead, 1992. Diba? Remember guys? Okay, so guys, that's it. A great idea to do home chores, diba? While doing home chores, diba? Just let go and just enjoy the moment, right? So I hope that sparked hope. If not, guys, that's the joke. Yung kumanta ako, when I sang, that's the joke already. Okay, more songs, more singing, more of this on this channel. Take care, you guys. Keep cultivating hope in any form, guys, in any form, be it in drawing, singing, expression of self, writing a poem, writing a letter, express yourself. But for as long as, of course, being careful if you are going to be sharing something pleasant, or if not, then maybe to chosen people, chosen loved ones, or trusted loved ones that you have. Diba? Or if not, then maybe talk to your faith, talk to God, or diba, express it. Okay, so thank you so much. Take care, you guys. Bye. This has been Carmina. An idea or ideas may spark hope. Bye.